I'm Adam C and welcome to the Caterham 620R. Now this video is brought to you by carhuddle.com, the car show calendar. Now today Caterham have lent me this car and this is my first time trying it out. They literally dropped it off here and this will be my first drive in it. Now I am used to the Cobra, I am used to side pipes, I'm used to small convertibles, but nothing as small as this, and this is their ultimate car, the 620R. At the moment I'm not going to go straight into the details because it's all about the experience of my first drive in it, and probably be a little bit embarrassing because it's got a sequential gearbox, twin plate clutch. It's something to get used to. So I should probably hop in. Now this exhaust I think is a little bit warm from when they dropped it off. Getting in, sorry about my groin, it's, well, I don't want to sit on the seat belts because they will, okay, no, okay, let's try that again. So I think both feet, there we go. Okay. You kind of have to be slim, that's of all. So it's a 4-point harness, much like my Cobra. Needs a bit of adjusting for my slender profile. Oh yes. This all seems real now. That's as tight as they go, and I'm not short. And if you're any faster than me, you can't really fit in width-wise, so it's made for people with sizable bosoms. So first things first, you really need a helmet because there's no windscreen. So today I have my helmet. Yeah, this is all I've brought today. I didn't want to look like a helmet, so I've got sunglasses and I'm avoiding motorways. So bugs come at me. So yeah, it's like a carbon screen. You can't actually see through it and I can only just see the top of the headlights over it. So it is keyless, apart from this key which is for the fuel tank. So the process is as follows. Ignition on. Sequential gearbox is in neutral. Immobilizer, unimmobilized. Keys, I think they're safe there. I will put them in my bag. And then the ignition switch switches down to start. So I hope you can hear me because I've got a microphone and it's a bit temperamental. So handbrake off, I'm now in neutral. Sequential box, you pull back to up change the gear and you push forward to downshift. You use the clutch or you don't use the clutch. I'll explain in another video. Okay, that wasn't even a stall, that's not fair. Okay. First, there we go, you have to be confident with the shift. Let's try this again. I'm going. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to keep in first gear. Ah! Indicator! Ah! It's a switch. A non-self-cancelling switch. Noises everywhere. Let's go for seconds. Going for a downshift. I've done it, my first downshift. Let's try a bit more acceleration. Oh my god! Whoa! Let's take a step back a bit. That was nothing, and the wheels started spinning. That was no acceleration, and the wheels were spinning. This is incredible. Okay, I'm cruising at 37.6 miles an hour, very precise digital speedo on the pre-production dashboard, and this feels slow to be honest. Okay, I'm going to try an acceleration, national speed limit, let's go. only, not quite. This sounds like a race car. It feels like a race car. It drives like a race car. It probably even tastes like a race car. Oh, how's my hair? Oh, it's lovely, lovely. Windswept. I'm cruising along with a very sweaty palm, tiny steering wheel, absolutely minuscule steering wheel, and nowhere to put any kind of dignity. Indicator, switch, that's down, that's down, and that's down. My forehead is tingling with all the wind that's hitting it. So many noises. I'm going to short shift in a second because I don't like that. There we go. It's a town cruiser. I'm going to have... that's bumpy. I'm going to have so much fun though. Oh my god, speed bumps. I don't know the ground clearance. Solid, solid, thick as a brick. So that's first. Right, so sequential still has the 3 pedals, the clutch pedal. You can still use the clutch pedal. Oh, I stalled it. That was embarrassing. Thank you, people. Let's go. I love the sounds. It feels like a race car. But let me get this clear. When you're in the correct conditions, with the correct driver, and you use this gearbox like it should be with no clutch on the way up, this goes faster to 60 miles an hour than a McLaren P1. This goes to 0-60 in 2.79 seconds. A P1 does it in 2.18. So yes, there's 0.01 seconds in it, but the fact matters, even if I say it's as fast as a P1, that's incredible. For a car that weighs, it's worth 50 grand. These go for 50 grand. A P1, 1.5 million minimum. So if you look at it that way, it's good value for money, a huge saving. And you get looked at just as much. Now I am all about an event. When you drive, it needs to be an event. And this is the biggest event I've ever had in a car behind the wheel. More so than my Cobra, I'm afraid to say. Oh no, yes, no. There's like limited grip underneath because it weighs as much as my left arm. It's nothing, absolutely nothing. 545 kilograms, absolutely no weight. That's almost motorbike territory. This is a motorbike on 4 wheels. 4 wheels, 4 wheels. Yes! Oh yes! That is it! That is it! This is my life right now. I am properly gripping onto this wheel like my life depends on it. My hands are tired already. My mouth is dry from the constant stream of air bellowing into it. It is brilliant! There are all good things in my books. This is a event. This is a scenario. This is amazing. Right, let's go. Let's plant it. This is too much fun. 30 mile an hour. Yeah, I can talk now. My mouth is so dry. I'm just like open gob amazement of how fun this is. I think the main idea of this car is to not get overly confident too soon, because I imagine this will bite back and it will bite hard. However, once you get a bit more confidence, you can have a bit more fun,
Video of this in the evening to see some of these flames. This is mental, absolutely mental. And then you hit 60, or for this road 70, which is kind of lucky. Woo! I'm sorry if you haven't been able to hear me very well, but I can't really, I just can't. Let's give it another go. It's that top end where the supercharger really gets it. Flames, flames, flames. So look out for more videos on this car. Hopefully I can do some evening driving in it with some big flames. But I do hope you enjoyed this video, my first experience of the 620R. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for weekly updates of all of this kind of stuff.